Hello Facebook, this is Rolande from Adolph Vlog Group, and this is one of our weekly videos. Only it's about 3 to 4 weeks late. Like I said, I'm Rolande Adolph.
Soy Mayra Valdez. I'm Delrose Facey.
And today we'll be talking about lottery. Do you play the lotto? No, I'm kidding. We're talking about diversity visa lottery. All right, Delrose, what exactly is a diversity visa lottery?
Diversity visa lottery is a system that immigration has in place for countries that have a low immigration rate to the United States. This gives the opportunity to those individuals to apply to get a chance to get a green card to come to the U.S.
Those are countries where people in that specific country, they don't want to come to the United States. Who doesn't want to come here?
But like they don't have a family member who could petition for them or an employer who can petition for them. Because usually those are the main ways that you could get a green card.
Understood. What different countries that would qualify for these diversity visa?
There's a long list of countries, for example, Bahamas, Argentina, Ecuador, even Venezuela. There's a long list that's available on the website, but right now we're focusing primarily on Bahamians that may be displaced as a result of the hurricane.
To know, is Haiti one of the countries that qualify?
Unfortunately, no.
Too many of us is coming here already.
Correct.
Okay.
These are only for countries who have a low immigration rate to the United States.
I get it. Now, I'm sure the requirements are pretty difficult, or maybe they're not. What are the requirements if someone from one of these countries wants to apply for this diversity visa lottery?
Well, first they have to be a native of the country, okay, or they could be the spouse of someone who is a native of the eligible country, or a resident of the country that you were born in at the time of your birth, then you would qualify.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to ask for example, because that was a mouthful.
So for example, if your parent was born in Bahamas,
okay,
you were not born in Bahamas,
okay,
and your parent was born in Bahamas, you could use their not residency, but the fact that they're a Bahamian citizen, that could help you to qualify as long as you weren't born in Bahamas. They were born in Bahamas, so you could use them to claim it.
Not a problem, not a problem. Let's say my parents are Bahamian, but
and also whatever country that you were born in, they couldn't have been a resident of that country or born in that country at the time of your birth. Okay, all right. So if you were born in Honduras, then they couldn't have been born in Honduras or a resident of Honduras.
Okay, that's okay. I completely understand. So if my parents are Bahamian, however, they met in Honduras, and things got a little, over there, and they had me, as long as they were never a resident of Honduras, I could qualify for the Bahamian diversity visa. Is that correct? Correct. If you guys have any questions on that, just IM us, call us, let us know. We'll go ahead and explain that a little better for you guys. Is there a cost to this diversity visa program?
No, there's no cost. The entry is free. It's free.
And how can we submit, or someone, if they were interested, how could they submit their entry?
They could go on the website, dvlottery.state.gov, in order to make a submission.
Okay, they could come to us too, or is that something we don't offer? Maybe we offer, I don't know.
They could come to us for assistance.
Of course, you could come to us. And does this program end anytime soon?
For the 2021 lottery, the entry started last week, October 2nd, and it will close November 5th.
Okay, so any advice for any of our friends that are from those countries, especially our Bahamian brothers and sisters?
Now is the time to get your application in, because the entry will close November 5th. Also, there's a requirement that I forgot to mention in regards to you must have a high school diploma or equivalent, and you must also work for at least 2 years, 2 years out of the last 5 years in a job that is approved by the State Department.
Okay, work in your home country?
Correct.
Okay, so this sounded a little more complicated than I originally thought. So if you have any questions, if you want to be admitted, submit your name as part of this lottery. Is it literally a lottery where there's a whole bunch of name and they play the music and they pick your name out?
Well, I think it's more computerized than anything. Not an actual bowl that your name is in, but it's a lottery because there is no specific guarantee that you're going to get selected. It's just a big pool and they randomly select individuals.
Okay, and then once you're here with your visa, what are the steps can you take if you want to be a permanent resident?
Oh, you automatically become a permanent resident as
Look at that!
part of the system. It's a path to a green card.
Oh, great. That just made it sweeter. So if you're from any of these countries, if you forget the one we listed, just rewind this video or just call our office like Ms. Facey said, Rose said. It's a long list of different countries that we didn't even mention, correct?
Correct.
Yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to call us, 561-660-7776. Do you have any last words?
Call us. We're here to help you.
That's true. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this video or know anyone that would be interested, go ahead and share it for us. Thank you. Bye.